In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look toward the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots once. Click Settings. Once you are in Settings, take a moment to look at the layout. On the left side of the page, there is a sidebar with different categories. These categories help organize Chrome settings so you do not have to search through everything at once. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. After opening Privacy and Security, look through the options in the main area of the page. You are looking for Site Settings. Click Site Settings to continue. When the Site Settings page opens, scroll down through the list of permissions and content options. You may see several categories, so move slowly and look for the section labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. Once you find it, click Pop-ups and Redirects. On the Pop-ups and Redirects page, look for the section labeled Default Behavior. There may be different options available, but the one you want is the option that prevents sites from sending pop-ups or using redirects. Select Do Not Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects. After selecting this option, Chrome will apply the setting automatically. And that is all there is to it.